What if I told you that everything you're about to see, every shot, every scene, every camera angle, was made in minutes in one place without any video editing? No Premiere, CapCut, or DaVinci, no stitching clips together. Just one tool, one workflow, and by the end of this video, you will be able to do the same. All you need is Utopai. You can access it clicking the link below. It's so easy to just create a story, create the characters, create the keyframes, ask for any adjustment on the keyframes, and then you approve and then you get the video. Now, if you want, you can edit it a little bit further in the video editor, or you can upscale it to 4K and then you can edit it on your own if you want more control. Now, if you're like me, a little bit of a perfectionist, I like to download the 4K version and then I do some extra editing, but that's because I like that extra control. But if you don't want to touch any video editing, then you can get your whole animation done right here. At the end, you end up with a 1-minute video. Let's create a quick animation of 2 samurai step by step. First, I go to Utopai, then just click create new project, then drop your script or tell story ideas. Then I refine the story a little bit and it gives me some recommendations, from which it was asking me if I wanted cinematography, photorealistic live action, or anime style. I choose classic anime style and then approve. And then you can see that the characters are being created, Hiroshi and Ryokan. That's my hero, and this is going to be the villain, and I like it. I can ask for some adjustments, or I can just click approve. And then it starts creating all the keyframes for the story. You can click on some to see them in full screen. And if you want, you can refer to specific keyframes. For example, I could say, make adjustments to keyframe 8 or adjustment to keyframe 2. And once everything is created, I can click on keyframe 1 and then just see the whole story, how it plays. Just going to the next one, and you can see that, yeah, this works, but from one frame to another, the background is kind of the same. So I hope that changed later in the video, but if not, I can do some little editing in there. And then from here to the next one, we also have kind of the same background. That's something that happens a lot with AI, so I can make some changes. And then we have this over the shoulder with the hero on the right of the screen and the villain on the left of the screen. So we have this frontal view, that's good, frontal view, perfect. All of that is correct, but in here, do you see that if I go back to this one, do you see the over the shoulder? If you know cinematography and the line of action, that means the villain should be on the left and the hero on the right. And in here, this is correct. He is on the right, but then the hero is on the left. That's a mistake. So I'm going to ask for that adjustment. Look, very easy. I see that it was keyframe 10, and then I type keyframe 10 should have the characters swap position. Hiroshi should be on the right of the screen and Ryokan on the left. Then it's thinking, and then it gives you a couple of alternatives. From those 3, I can select either take 1, take 2, or take 3. I would say maybe take 2 is the best one. So I just click select and it automatically writes that in the chat, and I just click send. I wait a little bit and then it updates the keyframe. Now, if I click approve, it will start creating the animation for me. I can either request more changes on more keyframes, but for me this is good, so I click approve. And then it automatically opens the video tab with the finalized video. You can go back to keyframes, where you can see all the keyframes, and in video, let me play it so you can see how the whole thing was put together.
How many? Enough. We swore to protect them. You remember that oath? I remember everything. I simply chose differently than you.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? And now if I want, I can download it, or I can click the video editor, select some sections from there and then remove them, delete the clip if I want. I can review what I'm going to delete, but for now I'm just gonna click exit and then yes, exit. And instead I'm going to click Upscale, because that way, if I want, I can edit it a little bit more, which is something that I'm going to do just to have a little bit more control on the music, the sound effects and everything. Now, this of course requires a little bit of more work, but for me it's worth it. Once it's done, I can download the 4K version upscaled. I click download and then I can edit it. So what I like is that even if you're an expert video editor, you can still go ahead and edit things yourself. Like for example, I wanted some close-ups to the eyes, a little bit extra shots in here. And also the timing of some of the shots, I wanted to change them, put my own music and my own audio also. The point is, you can have the video that you get from Utopai, or you can take that and then edit it and take it to the next level. So now let me show you the edited version that I did.
How many?
Enough.
We swore to protect them. You remember that oath?
Oh, I remember everything. I simply chose differently than you.
So isn't that insane? Just come up with the story, create the characters, create the keyframes, and then boom, you get an animation. Now this was for an anime because I like anime. What about live action? Well, check the next video where now I'm going to do a live action film. And if you want to do this yourself, click the link below.